Today we're going to be changing out the air filters on my Rivian R1S to a HEPA filter. And it comes with two and a little tool to pop off the rivets in the vent right there. So we'll save this one for later. But it has 2% longer life, super easy installation, upgraded filter. It's a HEPA filter, so it should make it a little bit better quality in there. I'm coming from a Tesla Model X that had the biodefense HEPA filter that was literally the entire way around right there. But this is still a nice feature, and I'll make sure to put this down in the description where I got this from. So yeah, so you just basically pop these off. Let's see here. Yep, should pop off like that. Like that, like that. There you have it. That's simple. Like that. And there's the filter right there. Let's see if I can get in there. Yeah, just like that. Okay. Pop that off. Slide this out. Airflow. And make sure you follow the airflow is going in, so you have to make sure this one has the airflow vent as well. So we got airflow. You can hear the particles in there to keep the filtration better. What it looks like. We're going to set it in like this. Oh, like that. Pop it in there. And you should be good to go. That simple. As you can tell, it didn't take very long. We'll slide this back in. Make sure this is easily popped in like that. Okay. We'll put this piece back on. It's all pop-in rivets, so it should be really easy to put in. And fire this bad boy up. Let the filtration run better through the vehicle. Hope you like this video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for future videos on my Rivian and also the